Hi friends, Shannon here, creative crew member with Scrappiness, here to share two of our newest sentiment dies from our new release. The first is Don't Forget to Smile with the shadow, and the second is Beautiful Happy Birthday sentiment with the shadow also. And it also has a bow to put on top of your happy birthday. I've cut a sample out right there. I'm going to set these aside, and I'm going to show you two techniques you can use with sentiments that you use. You can use them with or without the shadow. Now what I'm going to do is, on my first card, I'm not going to use the shadow. I'm going to just double up the sentiments in two different colors so that I'll get some, it's more of a realistic shadow instead of an all-over shadow. So I'm just going to add some adhesive to my top sentiment. I'm going to speed this up really quick so you don't have to sit here and watch glue. Okay, one thing that you have to remember when you're gluing your sentiments is if you want to have enough time to wiggle it, you don't want to do the tiny bit of adhesive. You want to have a, I don't want to say too much adhesive, but having enough adhesive so that as soon as you put the top sentiment down on the bottom sentiment, it's not going to just stick. It'll enough adhesive so it can wiggle around and you can move it into place. The other is you want to make sure that you get the ends of all of the letters so that they will stick down and not flop up on you. So I'm just going to hover this over until I find where I want that, and I'm just offsetting it just a tad so that you can see that black sentiment underneath the top sentiment. And I'm doing this on a protective surface so that these little glue dabs don't mess up my desktop. Wipe that away, and then that's ready to add to my card. See how the black really the black behind the sentiment makes it kind of pop out, and it also helps it not get lost in that decorative background. So I'm going to set that one aside, and then we're going to, with our next sentiment, the happy birthday, the beautiful happy birthday, we're going to layer that up on the shadow, but I'm also going to double up the words, if I can get a hold of them, and do the same that I did with the first one. So just like I did with the first one, I'm going to add the adhesive to the back, liquid adhesive or liquid glue, and make sure that I have enough so that if I need to wiggle it into place, it won't just be stuck down. And make sure to get the ends of the letters. A little bit more there. Hover it over my sentiment, and what I'm doing with this one is I'm doing it up and to the right just a tad. There we go. And then we bring in our shadow, and what you want to make sure is that when you're doubling up your layers like I am on this, that you don't go beyond your shadow. You still want to have the effect of the color behind it. So let me glue this down, and I'll be right back, and we'll add it to the card. I'm going to add our shadowed sentiment to this card, and then when I'm finished with that, we'll add the bow. If you're interested in purchasing any of the products that I've used in this video or that I used to create this card before the video, there are links located in the description box below. Also, you can sign up for the Scrappiness newsletter, where she gives away secret coupon codes very often. I don't know the frequency. It might be weekly, might be monthly, not sure, but to find out, sign up for Cat Scrappiness newsletter. That link is also located in the description box below. And I'm just offsetting this green bow just a hair so we get those colors behind it. It looks like a nice and fluffy bow. And there's a card. This one I haven't attached a sentiment to it yet, but you get the idea. So check out, there's links, like I said, for the products, but check out Cat Scrappiness' newest release, and there's lots of good stuff in it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.